Hello, I am showing myself how to use Adobe Rush, that is the editing program for your phone. And I'm here with my king, Ray.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Looking for a parking spot so I can get this car cleaned. That way we get this road, baby. Oh, I go through a car wash and these wonderful machines come and go. And then it's sprays water all over it, and then come to one of these machines outside and vacuum the interior. They have actual compressed air, so I can blow air, and you want to get all the dust out in the corners and
the towels?
To dry the car. I'm kind of old-fashioned like that. I like to get my hands a little dirty myself versus paying for it. Thank you very much.
So there you have it. This is one of Ray's rituals. It's pretty cool.